Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and we're going to go to the Museum of Papermaking.
The Robert C. Williams Museum of Papermaking is located on the grounds of Georgia Tech in the Paper Tricentennial Building. Admission is free. The hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. You will learn more about the process and history of papermaking than you ever thought you could, including what paper is made of. Hint, it is not always from wood.
That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.